So now we are going to assign the kinematic parameters. We are going to see what is the values of different kinematic parameters. It is clubbed off with the it is a combination of the joint parameters and link parameters. So link parameters are two parameters, that is link twist angle and link length. Similarly, joint parameters are joint angle and joint distance. So now we are going to see first what is the joint angle, and so over here if you see, this is a joint axis. So about the joint axis, first joint axis, how the x and x1, x0 and x1 are oriented. So is there any angle between x0 and x1 about the z axis? So z0, about z0, there is no angle between these two. So this parameter, you can see at the home position we are writing the value, exact value of this particular variable. So this is a variable theta1 joint angle, and the particular value as per this diagram is 0. Now similarly we have to see for the next one, along the z1 axis, is there any angle between x1 and x2? Again it is a variable, so I have written theta2 here, and the value is correspondingly 0 because these two are parallel. Now similarly for z3 ke about z2 ke about, is there any angle between x2 and x3? So there is no angle between these two. I have written the parameter variable as theta3 and the current value is 0. Now similarly if you look for the next one, that is theta4, so it is along z3 ke along, if is there any angle between x3 and x4? Yeah, there is an angle between x3 and x4. These are vertically so these are orthonormal to each other, that means these are at the 90 degrees to each other, x3 and x4. Now if you see, if you point your thumb towards the z3 direction, that is pointing inside the board, so positive direction is in the curling of fingers. So we have to move from we have to assign x3, or we have to rotate x3 in order to make it parallel to the x4. So if you see, I am pointing my thumb inside the board and x3 has to be moved towards the x4. So I am moving opposite to the curling of the fingers, so this angle is negative. So this negative value I have assigned, and this is minus of pi by 2, or theta4 is the variable for the corresponding angle. Similarly, if you see here along the z4, is there any angle between x4 and x5? There is no angle, these are parallel to each other. So theta 5 is the angle and variable, and it has got the value, that is 0. Now moving on to the joint distance. तो joint distance में देखेंगे, is there any distance between x0 and x1 along z1? So you can see here there is a distance, that is this distance, and this distance is being termed as d1, that is joint distance. So over here you have got some distance between x0 and x1 along z0. Similarly, if you see here for this next joint distance, along z1 is there distance between x1 and x2? These are in the same line, so there is no distance, it is 0. Similarly, if you move to the next one, along z2, is there any distance between x3 and x4? Along z, there is no distance, they are parallel, so again it is 0. If you move to the next one, that is z3 ke along, if there is any distance between x4 and x3, as you can see these origins are at the same location, so there is no distance, again it is 0. Now moving to the z4 axis, along z4, is there any distance between x4 and x5? Yeah, you can see here this is the origin for this particular point, this particular coordinate frame, and this is the origin for this particular frame. So along z4 there is a distance between x4 and x5. So this distance you can see here, I am just denoting it by blue color. This is the distance between these two, and this distance can be written as d5, right? So these are parallel, these axes are parallel and these are pointing inside. So you can see this coordinate, or this axis is here and this axis is here at the same location. So d5 is the distance and it is a variable. I have not given the value for this.